Hey guys, welcome back! Today, we're going to be talking about pets. That's right, pets. So let's just jump into the vocabulary, okay? Cat. Cat. It's a cat. Dog. Dog. It's a dog. Mouse. Mouse. It's a mouse. Hamster. Hamster. It's a hamster. Iguana. Iguana. It's an iguana. Snake. Snake. It's a snake. Frog. Frog. It's a frog. Tortoise. Tortoise. It's a tortoise. Now let's take a view at all of our animals. We have cat, dog, frog, snake, iguana, mouse, hamster, and tortoise. Now let me see if you can tell the difference between a pet and a wild animal. Do you think a cat is a pet? That's right, it is. What about a hamster? Do you think a hamster is a pet? That's right, it is. How about a lion? Do you think a lion is a pet? No, it's not. What about a frog? Do you think a frog is a pet? Yes, it is. Ooh, an alligator. Do you think an alligator is a pet? No, that's so dangerous. How about a dog? Do you think a dog is a pet? That's right, it is. Good job. Now let's take a minute and try making some sentences. Tell me about your pets. Before you do, I'll tell you about 3 of my pets, okay? This is my pet cat. Its name is Fluffy. This is my pet cat, Fluffy. Now this is my pet snake. Its name is Max. This is my pet snake, Max. This is my pet iguana. Its name is Iggy. This is my pet iguana, Iggy. Now that I've told you about my pets, I hope that you can tell me about your pets. So it's goodbye for now, guys. Remember, keep practicing. And don't forget to check out the pet song in the next video, okay? Bye-bye!